Chapter 2, Light Waves on the Move. The class will learn about light. Light waves are made of energy. Light can come from the sun. It can come from lamps, candles, and fireflies. The stage lights will give off light for the play. Miss Thomas turns on the stage lights. They are very bright. The students cover their eyes with their hands. The students block the light waves with their hands. Light waves can move through some objects. Light waves cannot move through other objects. The students' hands block the light waves. The light waves cannot move through them. The students stand behind the curtain. Miss Thomas turns on the stage lights. The students cannot see the light. The curtains block the light. The students stand behind a thin curtain. Miss Thomas turns on the stage lights. Kara can see Miss Thomas, but not clearly. Some light moves through the thin curtain. Some light gets blocked. Light moves through some things. Light moves through glass and plastic. People can see through glass and plastic. Light can move through some objects, but it cannot move through others. Tomorrow, the students will learn more about light. They will also get their parts for the play. So, number 1, blank are made of energy. Block, move, light waves, stage lights, or curtain. Light waves. The blank will give off light for the play. The stage lights will give off light. The student's hands blank the light waves. It blocks the light waves. Some light moves through the thin block, move, light waves, stage lights, or curtain. It moves through the thin curtain. And number 5, light can blank through some objects, move through some objects, light waves, or stage lights. Light can move through some objects.